Manchester has long been called the music capital of the UK, but in 2025, it's also recognized as one of Europe's most electrifying nightlife hubs. The city's nightlife feels like a never-ending festival where people come to celebrate freedom and joy. From the moment you enter the city center, you can feel the rush of energy. Bars glow with neon lights, music thunders from clubs, and groups of friends laugh and pose for selfies in the streets. The sight of stylishly dressed young people heading into a night without limits is the true symbol of Manchester after dark. The allure of Manchester nightlife lies in its diversity. If you crave a wild party, head to Deansgate, home to the biggest clubs, famous for world-class sound systems, lighting, and international DJs. If you prefer something artistic, the Northern Quarter offers indie bars, jazz clubs, and cozy pubs with unique character. A highlight of 2025 nightlife is the rise of eco-conscious venues. Many bars use local ingredients, reduce single-use plastics, and embrace green nightlife, a blend of fun and sustainability. This innovation makes Manchester a modern yet responsible city. Canal Street remains an iconic destination. It's a place of freedom, color, and inclusivity, where every night feels like a celebration. Many visitors say that until you've experienced Canal Street after midnight, you haven't truly discovered Manchester nightlife. Another exciting change is the extended nightlife hours. Many venues now stay open all night, supported by late-night transport and strong safety measures. After 4 a.m., late-night eateries come alive, serving everything from fast food to street food, making the culinary experience just as diverse as the nightlife itself. Manchester nightlife in 2025 proves the city is more than football and music. It's a playground for free spirits, young hearts, and passionate souls. Whether you stay for one night or a whole month, Manchester will surprise you, because in this city, the night never ends.